Noru nurutekatekwa kwetabamo abantu 150 abarume eminyeto Ahaby'Obusingye b'obukiiko bw'abakazi oburukumanywa Women Council abantu bakuru mu kicweka Ahaby'Obusingye ba gavumenti ahandengo zitari zimwe na zimwe abarume n'abanyeshengero mu kicweka kandi rugenderere kwana ebiteekateeko okubasa kuretaho obusingye hamwe n'okwikirizana omu karuru ak'omwaka gw'2026.
As we say now, KRC, in collaboration with Creations Forum Africa, that's CAF, and with funding from United States Agency for International Development, USAID, we are pleased to announce the Kasunga 11 Leaders Retreat, scheduled for non-violence and peaceful 2026 general elections.
The primary objectives of the Kasunga 11 Leaders Retreat are to generate consensus on regional interventions to promote peace and quality leadership during and after the 2026 general elections.
Bwire bw'akaruru mu kicweka ntakira kubaho obuhendabiragiro obw'ekika ky'ahaiguru bwanyuma y'okugira ngu abantu omu kicweka akaruru nibakatamu enganda. Obuteekerezano obu nibureetaho oburemezi omu bantu abarikutuura omu kicweka ekirikureetera n'abantu abamwe okufurika omu maka gaabo. Oteireho n'obuteekerezana okubarikaho hagati y'abantu omu kicweka hamwe n'ebitongore by'ebyokwerinda ebitari bimwe na bimwe.
Expect to have a clear and actionable consensus on strategies and mechanisms to prevent electoral-related conflicts at all stages of the 2026 general elections, before, during, and after, ensuring a peaceful electoral process.
Muligira hari Sharifu Muhammadi uri mutandiki mukuru w'ekitongore ekya KRC Uganda. Orukungano rugenderere kureta Ahaby'Obusingye okuruga ahandengo zitari zimwe na zimwe mu kicweka hamwe no mu ihanga lyona okutaho oburyo obukurebeka ngu omu karuru ak'omwaka gw'2026 tarebekaho oburemezi obwosire niburebeka omu karuru omu kicweka.
2006 aims to bring together leaders from diverse political backgrounds to discuss and deliberate on critical issues affecting the regional development. This year, we have the honor of hosting Honorable Tom Butime, who is the Minister of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities, as a chief guest, and also Honorable Crispus Kiyonga, who is the Chancellor of Makerere University, as a keynote speaker.
Murukungana n'urwo rumwe Ahaby'Obusingye nibaija kuhana ebiteekateeko oteireho n'okuhanura aha nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe ezirikureetaho obuvuyo omu karuru omu kicweka n'ekigendererwa ky'okureetaho obusingye. Orukungano oru rwatandikire omu mwaka gw'2026 obwahati ruriyo niruza kushutama omurundi ogw'11 kandi rurigiremu ebijuma bingi bwanyuma y'Ahaby'Obusingye ahandengo zitari zimwe na zimwe okuguma nibaheereza ebiteekateeko byabo. Sharifu naashoborera aha bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe eby'orukungano oru orukwetwa Kasunga rubaasize kureeta omu kicweka.
Especially when it comes to our MPs, they are more coordinated than before, and all that emerged from our Kasunga processes, that they are able now to come with almost a common voice as they try also to lobby for the region.
Each time the retreat agenda is determined by concerns and issues at hand. The first one where there were conflict within our Toro Kingdom, and the retreat was convened, and that crisis in Toro Kingdom was resolved. During the previous Kasunga Leaders Retreat, there was a discovery that there was no forum that brings parties together.
Amakuraga gashakwa Justin Nyakaisiki aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Fort Poto.